Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over bow one step number 7, the defense against Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi, the reverse low strike. Now we'll start by looking at the attack. We're going to be working from Hidari no Kamae, right side forward fighting stance. What the attacker is going to do is step forward with your left foot and you're striking knee high with the left end of your bow. So from here, step, low strike, step, and again this is Gyaku-Gedan-Uchi. Step and strike. Once more, step and strike. All right, now our defense for this. The target is my front knee here, my right knee. I'm going to pull that leg back away. I'm stepping back, taking the target away, and I am blocking low. This is Gyaku-Harai-Uke, the reverse low block. Then I'm going to bring the bow up very, very slightly and thrust down toward the top of my opponent's foot. That's ski otosh, the downward thrust. Then I'm going to step up, step back, uch otosh, downward strike. And then I'm going to finish with nagashi ski, the sliding thrust. And then I'm going to disengage. I'm just going to shuffle step away a couple of steps. All right, let's have another look at this. And I'm stepping back, block, thrust, step up, step back, strike down, thrust, and then disengage, shuffle step away. Let's have a look at it from the side. Again, I'm in Hidari no Kamae. This is the target, that front knee, so I'm taking the target away and blocking. Where my knee was just a moment ago, my bow is now. Thrust, step up, step back, strike down, sliding thrust, and then again I'm moving away. All right, now once you've practiced that in the air a bit, gotten comfortable with the basic mechanics of the one step, we'll start doing this with a partner. Mr. Discount, could I have your assistance, please? Yes, sir. And we're going to start from Hidari no Kamae with the tips of our bow just crossed. Again, this is a real good engagement distance. When I say attack, my partner is going to step forward and strike toward my knee. I'm going to step away. Attack. And then from here, I'm going to thrust toward the top of his foot. Do not hit your partner on the top of their foot. Step up, step back, strike down, sliding thrust. Again, very careful with that. And then disengage, move away. Let's have a look at it from the other angle. And we're going to get our distance, attack, and I'm trying to shift his bow out of the way a little bit, and then right toward the top of his foot, step up, step back, strike down, thrust, and then move away, just like that. Thank you, Mr. Discount. That is our one step number 7. Be especially careful with that skiatosh thrust downward. You should be aiming toward the top of your partner's foot. Just be careful, don't actually hit them with it. Thank you very much for joining me.